You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. I know a lot of people get confused by it and mispronounce it too. If you want to learn more confusing Indian names, Sanskrit names that many get wrong, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So in India, it's pronounced as Arun. Arun. In English, more generally pronounced as Arun. Not Aaron. That's a different name. Arun or Arun. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Is it how you pronounce it? Where are you from? Let us know in the comments so we can all learn from you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.